GiveGun relies on localhost for communications. So if any software update or occasional OS X update messes up this file, then GiveGun just won't be able to function properly. To fix it, we're going to follow this tutorial from OS X Daily line by line. And first, what we have to do is to copy the contents of the default hosts file. Just Command-C, then open Spotlight and input text edit in there. That's a text editor. Create a new document anywhere and paste the contents of the default file there. Then click on Format, Make Plain Text. OK, and now save the file as hosts. Make sure you uncheck this checkbox and save it as hosts. Now we go into Finder, open another window, go to Folder, /private/etc, copy hosts, and replace the original hosts file. After you do that, restart After Effects and GiveGun will keep functioning properly.